people. I just a few minutes ago put a bulletin out on YouTube for this video, and this.
You put a bulletin that you're making a video?
Yeah, you could do that.
Well, you better make it.
That's what I'm. Oh my gosh, that's what I'm doing right now. But yeah, look.
Well, you need to get reduced speed now.
Well, you can't really see it here, but watch.
The water's up right there.
Yeah, the water's all up on the ditches.
Brittany's like, need to get a better view. Brittany, woo, Brittany.
Dude, I see the ditches over there.
See?
Like the water's all the way up here. They don't want people rubbernecking. Or what do they do?
Oh, jeez.
Can't we go down there and look at the bridge?
Nope.
Oh God, look at that.
About to get scary here.
Oh my God, this is bad.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. All up in there, those trailers.
Trailers, not good. Oh, jeez.
Well, everybody else is stopping and looking. Well, I guess we can too. We're gonna make sure nobody jumps.
Yeah, that. Holy crud!
Well, I think we should.
Holy snap. That's freaking awesome. Woohoo!
And the dogs just stay right here, guys. Don't let them get out.
Okay.
Do not. Don't get out until I tell you.
Oh.
Somebody needs to hold the damn dogs.